If you want your whole home to smell like a luxury hotel without lighting candles or diffusing 6 little diffusers in every room or refilling water every few hours, I've tested 3 whole home diffusers. These are cold air diffusers in my own home. Now, if you have already a regular ultrasonic diffuser, the ones that you put water in, you know I love these. I've got them all over my house. But here's the thing, you've got to fill them with water. You've got to add your own oils. You've got to remember to turn them on. And they generally only cover 1 room. These are different. These are cold nebulizing diffusers. Connect the diffuser to your phone, set a schedule, and you can walk out the door. They cover your main living areas. Think your open concept living room, your kitchen, the entry, family room, hallways, and they run automatically. Guests walk in and they automatically say, oh my gosh, your home smells so good. That happens at my house consistently now. And here's something really important to understand as to why they're so effective and efficient, especially when you use high quality essential oils. When essential oils are nebulized into the air, they actually stay suspended for 2 to 3 hours after the diffuser shuts off. So you actually don't have to run it all day. Run it for 15 minutes, turn it off. Your whole home smells incredible for hours. That's very different from synthetic fragrance oils, which basically just drop out of the air. And we'll come back to that. And I'm gonna walk you through all 3. And quick note before I do, the oils that come with these machines, I don't actually use. And I'll tell you why in a few minutes and what I actually use instead. But let's start with the diffusers. I've got 3 here, the Aromadd, and yes, it's spelled with 2 Ds, which I'll get to. The JCloud and the AromaPlan 5. And the price range is between $129 up to $180 to $90. And the coverage ranges between 2,000 to 3,500 square feet. And all 3 are app controlled. And all 3 have scheduling settings and different intensities, and all 3 use cold air nebulizing technology. So what's the difference? Quite a bit actually, and which one totally wins really depends on your home and your actual needs. All right, so this one is our pick. This is the Aromadd, but first, and I need to address the name. Why does it have 2 Ds? I genuinely don't know, but in our home, we've started calling it the Aroma DD, like Big Daddy, because honestly, it kind of is. And here's why it won for me. My home is 7,800 square feet, 3 levels, including a basement. So the main living area in the upstairs is around 2,000 to 3,500 square feet, open concept, 2 stories, in my living room, and it flows right into my kitchen. A lot of space, a lot of airflow. So I placed this in my main living area and it scents both levels of my home amazingly. Not the basement, not the bedrooms. And honestly, I don't want it in the bedrooms. And more on that in a second. The reason why the Aroma DD wins for me is because of the area that it covers, up to 3,500 square feet. And so it's the largest of the 3. And it's also got the biggest tank, which truly means you fill it, you set it, you schedule it, you forget it for weeks. That app is really easy and intuitive. I can turn it on from my phone before I get home from errands, and I want my house to smell good when I arrive, or if I know guests are coming over, and done. And the intensity setting gives you real control. The weakest setting runs for 5 seconds, and then it turns off for 2 minutes. And that setting, the lowest setting in my home, actually works perfectly. When I'm using doTERRA oils, it was plenty. The stronger settings go up from there, but genuinely, I did not need them. And one thing to know about the manual controls on this one, you can actually touch it and turn it on. Ooh, you can hear that. You can actually touch it and control it from here, but it's not that intuitive. I'd actually recommend using the app for scheduling, especially if you want to set up reoccurring times throughout the week. The app makes that really straightforward. And the noise, so I want to be honest about this. The Aroma DD is not the quietest. When it kicks on, you notice it, but when there's ambient noise, you don't notice it at all. You know, when you have people over, the TV's on, music playing, it completely disappears. It kind of fades in the background, almost like white noise. It really only stands out if the house is completely silent. And build-wise, this feels substantial. This is heavier metal on the outside. It really feels like it was made to last, and it has a really great warranty. So who this is for are people with the larger rooms, the larger homes, maybe the 2-story living room. I'm gonna turn that one off. And those who genuinely want to set it and forget it. If noise is genuinely a concern for you in your home, then the JCloud is your go-to. It is by far the quietest of these three. It's been running this whole time that we've been filming, noticeably quieter. And what I like about it is the off and on cycle. The lowest grade, it goes on for 5 seconds and it's off for 240 seconds. So that's 4 full minutes per burst of essential oil going into the air. But even at the highest setting, it's 35 seconds on and 60 seconds off. And that longer off time is actually really good for your oils. You're not burning through them as fast and you're not oversaturating the air. And remember, those essential oils, if you're using essential oils, are in the air 2 to 3 hours after it turns off. Now this one covers up to 2,000 square feet, so a little bit smaller, but usually enough for most homes. And it has 9 intensity settings. So as far as how much is being shot out at a time, it has a great app and is very intuitive to set it up. And the build is similar to the Aroma DD. It's like very solid. And this one, like the Aroma DD, the JCloud, you can purchase without oils, which I appreciate. And honestly, the only reason why it didn't win for me is because I feel like I needed more than 2,000 square feet. That's a me problem. So for most homes, this is absolutely enough. So who this is for those where the noise really matters, light sleepers, one who might want it running in or near a bedroom, or anyone whose main living area is 2,000 square feet or less. Okay, so the AromaPlan 5, cool name, right? This is probably the most approachable diffuser in price, in feel, and how it looks in your home. And it retails for about $129. Now, all 3 of these have manual touch controls, but the AromaPlan is genuinely the easiest one of all 3. It's the most intuitive, especially for simple scheduling. So you just touch the panel. You can choose 1 hour, 3 hours, 6, 8, 12, or 24-hour runtime. That's it, no app, just touch and go. Although it does have a very convenient app as well. So for someone who doesn't want to think about the app every time, this is really nice. The other 2, you can use the touch for manual, but it's just not as intuitive. I found myself turning to the app for those, especially for scheduling. But the AromaPlan's presets, super simple. It covers 2,000 square feet, has 10 intensity settings, and the most granular of the 3. And it's HVAC compatible, like all 3 of these. And the build is lighter, more like a home appliance instead of industrial equipment, which some people actually prefer. It kind of blends in well. And one honest thing I noticed, I couldn't figure out how to turn it off using just the front part. There's not a button to shut it off. I had to use the app or unplug it. It could be user error, or it could be a quirk or a glitch, just something to know. And one more note, every option for the different colors and bundles with the AromaPlan, they all came with their fragrance oils. So if you prefer to just buy a machine only, then you'd want to go with the Aroma DD or the JCloud. So just keep that in mind. So who this is for? Budget conscious buyers, smaller living area, someone who prefers more intuitive controls, manual controls, or a lighter aesthetic. So all 3 of these are HVAC compatible. They come with a hose that you can attach and all of the attachments, and they tell you exactly how to do it. It's super simple. But I want to say something clearly. I wouldn't recommend connecting it to your HVAC system. And here's why. When you run your HVAC, it pushes air into every single room in your home. Bedroom, kids' rooms, office, laundry room, everywhere. And that's actually opposite of how I think about using essential oils. In my bedrooms and smaller rooms, I'm actually using my ultrasonic diffusers strategically. I'm specifically choosing essential oils for sleep support, for focus, for whatever that space needs. I don't want the same ambient home scent pumping into every room in our house, especially where I might be diffusing lavender for calming and sleep, or focus blend for studying. I want my whole home diffuser in my main living area where people gather, and I want my ultrasonic diffusers intentionally in these other rooms. Keeping the whole home diffuser out in the open means you don't forget that it exists. One more thing before we talk oils. Your home doesn't need to be large for one of these to make sense. Even if your home is smaller, 1,200 square feet, 1,500 square feet, having a whole home diffuser in your main living area is just a completely different experience than managing water diffusers everywhere. It's that set it and forget it factor, that alone is worth it. Now, if you're in a smaller apartment, a studio or a 1-bedroom, this is probably overkill. A great ultrasonic diffuser will absolutely do the job. But for most homes with any kind of open concept, this really changes things. Okay, the oils. You can purchase the JCloud and the Aroma DD without any fragrance oils. The AromaPlan, the options that I saw, they all had fragrance oils included. And they may smell good, I'll give them that. So if you want your home to smell amazing and you're not thinking beyond that, those oils will absolutely do that. And here's where I land personally. I've been using essential oils for 16 years and I have 6 kids. I've done my research on what we're actually breathing in when we run one of these machines. And I'm not comfortable putting in any type of oils in a whole home nebulizing diffuser unless I completely trust the source. The included oils are fragrance blends. They smell like essential oils, but they're not essential oils. And there's a real difference in what you're actually breathing and how long it stays in the air and how it impacts you emotionally and physically. So I do use my doTERRA oils. I know the testing behind them. I know the sourcing. I know what's in the bottle. And that's just my personal standard. I'm not here to tell you what yours has to be. One thing that I want everyone to hear, regardless of the oils you use, do not add water to these machines. Essential oils and water do not mix. They'll separate and they won't diffuse properly. They can clog the nebulizer. It invalidates any kind of warranty, and you're creating a perfect environment for mold inside of the unit. So cold air diffusers mean oils only. So here's what I actually ran in these diffusers while I was testing them. And a couple of tips that will save you oils. Because doTERRA oils are so concentrated, I've been running all of them on the lowest setting. When I did higher settings, it just felt like it was too much. And because those oil molecules stay suspended in the air 2 to 3 hours after it shuts off, I'm not running these hours on end. I'll set it for 15 minutes and then it shuts off. And honestly, the house smells great for the rest of the afternoon. That is a massive difference with synthetic fragrances, which just drop. And you can always turn it up if you want more. And here's a tip that most people in this space have no idea about. You can use something called Augeo Clean. So that's AUGEO Clean. It's a glycerin-based solvent. It blends properly with essential oils. Unlike water, it diffuses cleanly and it lets you fill the larger bottles in these diffusers without burning through your oils nearly as fast. I'll link it up in the description and you can dilute your oils. It's 25% essential oils to 75% of the Augeo Clean. I used oils from the Aroma Essentials kit. It has 10 different oils and some of the blends I just put in there straight. So Citrus Bloom, Northern Escape, Breathe, Balance, Cheer, Adaptive, Serenity, they all smell amazing by themselves. Also, this has Wild Orange, Peppermint, and On Guard. But here's some of my favorites that I blend together. For that warm, luxury lobby scent, that hotel collection smell, think Ritz-Carlton or the Four Seasons, I blend Northern Escape, Balance, and a little Serenity. Woodsy, deep, that expensive smelling warmth that people walk in and they immediately ask about. For something bright and clean, think spa or boutique hotel, Citrus Bloom with Serenity. Those two together are genuinely beautiful in a large space. It's a surprising combination. And for a warm, welcoming scent, especially going into the evening, On Guard with a little Cheer and Wild Orange. This is one that people associate with my house. They walk in and say, it smells like doTERRA. And I put together a free guide with all the recipes, the blends that I mix together. It's linked down in the description so you can go grab it. Bottom line, my pick for my home, my situation, the Aroma DD. Large open homes, the big tank, best main living area coverage, true set it and forget it feel. Big daddy energy. It earned that nickname. If noise matters or your main living area is 2,000 square feet or less, the JCloud wins. If you want the most budget-friendly option with the most intuitive manual controls, then the AromaPlan 5. All of the links are down in the description with their current pricing and discounts. I only link things that I've personally used, tested, actually love. I wanna go deeper on essential oils and diffusers for specific rooms, sleep, focus, the oils I use for my kids, the oils that I use for women's health. I've got a full diffuser review linked right here. It covers everything from small diffusers to ultrasonic and nebulizing, even motion sensor diffusers, one of my favorite for bathrooms, and helps you to figure out exactly which type is right for you for what you're trying to accomplish. Go watch that next.